Good morning to everybody. This short teaser is just to introduce my webinar, Medicine 4.0, when new technologies work with artificial intelligence. This webinar will deal with a new approach about telemedicine and electronic health and artificial intelligence used for these applications. My lab is called the Neuronica Lab, where we put together neural networks and electronic circuits. This is the meaning of my presentation, put together electronic devices to measure human body parameters and artificial intelligence to give a certain evaluation of human vital signs. Thank you very much.